Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class. Yes friends, in the previous video I have completed what? 1 mark and 2 mark questions on differentiation. At the end, I have started with the integration. In integration, I gave only the list of formulae, the definition of integration, algebra of integrals, then that list of the formulae are given in the previous video itself. Now I will just repeat the same, that list of the formula, which is very important in doing the examples, my friends. Today I want to do examples under 1 mark questions, on integration, my friends. So before that, first once again, just I will remind the list of the formulae. Then I will start with examples under 1 mark first. After finishing 1 mark questions, then I do examples under 2 mark questions on integration. No 3 mark, 5 mark, 6 marks, everything you wanted in detail about the integration. I have done so many videos on integration. Around 10, 11 videos on integration, even more. In detail I have done all exercises, everything I have considered. Almost 99% all examples my friends have done. If you wanted a detailed study about what? 3 mark questions, 5 mark questions, 6 marks questions, everything for them, for those, please refer my videos. Belagali's classes, if you put what? Belagali's classes in YouTube, you can get everything in detail. Whichever you wanted, you can refer it. Even there also, my friends, everything is done very systematically. First comes the 10th standard. Yes, go down. PUC second year starts with inverse trigonometric functions, like that. Integrals, even there also I have mentioned by substitution, by parts, like that. If you wanted only by parts, if you press it, you get only by parts, like that, my friends. Done systematically for your sake. Therefore, my request, humble request, is to refer those classes done in YouTube, Belagali's classes, my friends. Please refer, take the use of it. Early example means examination is nearing. Done detail, please refer. Now my plan is to do only some examples under 1 mark, 2 mark on selected chapters, my friends. Selected chapters. First I have completed inverse trigonometric functions, taking 2 classes, 2 videos. One full video for what? Examples under 1 mark question. Second video, examples under 2 mark question. After finishing ITF, started with differentiation. I have given the definition, list of formula, everything done systematically, my friends. In differentiation, 1 mark questions I have done 2 videos. 2 mark questions I have done 3 videos. On differentiation under 1 mark and 2 mark, my friends, I have done 5 videos. Please refer them. After finishing that, started with integration. In the 5th video, this list of the formula is there. My friends, just I want to remind once again. Yes, my friends, it is PUC second year or 12th standard maths class. Integration, statistics. 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions, 3 mark 3 questions, 5 mark 1 question, 6 marks 1 question. Totally, it is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8 questions, my friends. If you count these marks, they are nearly 25 marks, my friends. On integration only, not applications. On integration only, you have, my friends, this year 25 marks, nearly 8 questions. Yes, my friends. Now I will explain what the standard formula. Integral of 1 x, integral of k. What is the difference between this and this? This is 1 is x other than 1. Other than 1 means what? This k is any constant other than 1. If it is k, k multiplied by x, kx plus c. If it is 5 here, 5x. If it is minus 10, minus 10x, like that, my friends. Third, x to the power n dx. X to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Little general, this is x, this is a linear factor, ax plus b. Linear factor, not other than linear factor. Linear factor, ax plus b to the power n is what? Ax plus b to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into this a. Tell my friends what is that a? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. To divide by the coefficient of x plus c. This algebra k fx plus or minus gx. It is sum of the integrals. If any constant coefficient is inside, that constant coefficient comes directly outside the integral sign, then it is integral of fx plus is plus minus is minus integral of the second function gx dx. Yes, my friends. These are with exponential functions. Exponential functions. Integral e to the power x dx. E to the power x. What is the power? Linear ax plus b. It is integral e to the power ax plus b equal to e to the power ax plus b upon a plus c plus c. A to the power x. What is the difference between e and a? Other than e. Then in this case, this a should be greater than 1. It is not equal to 0 and it must be greater than 1. Yes. A to the power x dx is what? E to the power x upon log a, log of this base. If the power is other than x, same first, what is the integral of any exponential function? Same as it is you have to write. As it is you have to write. As it is you have to write. Then starts your circus. Look at the power. Is it x? No. Other than x. Divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? B. Divide. Is it e? No. Right? Into log of this base plus c plus c. These are with exponential functions, my friends. Exponential functions. Next, these are trigonometric functions. Integral of sine minus cos x. Integral of cos plus sin x. Integral of tan log sec x, otherwise minus log cos x plus c. Integral of cot log sin x. Integral of sec square tan x. Integral of cosec square minus cot x. Integral of sec x into tan x is sec x plus c. Cosec x minus cot x minus cosec x. All these trigonometric. Then you are left with two more here. Integral sec x dx. It is log sec x plus tan x. Converting sec in terms of cos, tan in terms of sin by cos, simplifying you get what? Log tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. Plus pi by 4. Cosec x log cosec x minus cot x. Converting cosec and cotec in terms of what? Sin cos, and using the formula 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, half angle formula sin x. Simplifying, you get log tan x by 2. It is repeated, my friends. Integral of sec x tan x is sec x. Integral of cosec x cot x is what? Minus cosec x. That part is repeated. Then I remove this. That part is repeated. Yes, my friend. Yes. Here I have taken the angle is other than x. In all these cases, what is the angle? X. X. But in this case, it is other than x. Other than x means what? It is ax. In such cases, integral of sine. What is integral of sine? Minus cos. Whatever the angle you have to write. If it is x, you write x. If it is ax, you write ax. Divide by, if it is other than x, divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient? A. Divide by 1. It is integral cos ax plus b. Once again, linear, my friends. Integral of cos. What is the integral of cos? Sine. Right? Angle as it is. X is x. Other than x is other than x. If it is other than x, divide by the coefficient. As usual, plus c. as usual plus C. These are general. All these comes under, my friends, trigonometric functions. Remember, integral of sine minus cos x, integral of cos plus sin x, integral of tan log sec x, otherwise minus log cos x, integral of cot log sin x, integral of sec log sec x plus tan x, otherwise log tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. Cosec x, yes, it is log cosec x minus cot x or log tan x by 2. Sec into tan, sec x, cosec into cot minus cosec x, other than x, angle is other than x. If it is other than x, divide by the coefficient. Integral of sec square is tan, cosec square is minus cot x, cosec square is minus cot x. Now, by making use of these, my friends, you can write in general, naming they are the general formula. General formula. General formula, yes, my friends. Instead of this x, if you replace this x by fx. If it is x, what is the derivative of x is 1. If it is fx, what is the derivative of fx? Derivative of fx itself or f dash x with respect to x. Then, my friends, replace your x by fx and dx by derivative of fx with respect to x. Yes, replacing first x to the power n, general. Replace your x by fx to the power n, dx by f dash x dx. Yes, my friend. If fx is any function of x, irrespective, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential, anything, if fx is any function of x, then first general formula instead of x to the power n, fx to the power n into f dash, I told if it is other than x needs derivative. In this case, if it is x, what is the derivative of x? 1 here. The derivative of x is 1, no need to write that 1 here. If it is other than x, write its derivative. Yes. If it is fx, side needs f dash x, its derivative. Dx equal to same, what is it? X to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. What is it? It is fx to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is more general. This also comes under that. More general. What is second here? 1 upon, this is, my friend, integral of 1 by x log mod x. Linear, if it is linear, divide by 8. Log of the denominator upon 8. If it is x to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1. If it is root x, integral 1 by root x is 2 root x. That plus c is there, my friends, are not written. Plus c is there for the formula also. See here. It is fx to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Second, 1 upon x to the power n, sign change, plus becomes minus 1 upon 1 power less n minus 1 into whatever it is, x to the power n minus 1. If it is fx here, fx to the power n minus 1. See. Second, it is integral 1 upon fx to the power n. What is this other than x? Needs friend, who? F dash x. If the f dash x is not there, you can't use this formula. No. Break down, cut. If you wanted to use this formula, needs that side friend. What is it? If it is other than x, it's a derivative. If it is x, as the derivative of x is 1, no need to write in those list math. If it is other than x, needs its derivative. Apply the same formula. I told minus 1 upon 1 power less n minus 1 into fx to the power n minus 1 plus plus. Third, my friend, this. What is integral of root x to root x? 1 upon root x is what? 2 root x. Replace your x by fx. This is 1 by root f other than x needs its derivative f dash x dx. Apply the same. It is 2 root fx. 2 root fx plus as usual c. Next, this, my friend, 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. As the derivative of x is 1 here, no need. If it is other than x, fx needs here its derivative. So, it is integral 1 by f into f dash. 1 by f into f dash is what? Log fx. It is log mod fx plus c plus. Same thing you can read as what? It is integral f dash x upon fx. Integral f dash x upon fx is what? It is log mod fx. Log mod fx. Next is this. E to the power x is e to the power x. If it is power is other than x, fx, side needs its derivative. It is integral e to the power fx into f dash x is what? E to the power fx plus c. All these follows. If it is a to the power fx, e to the power fx, f dash x is needed. E to the power fx upon log a. Here e to the power f into f dash. E to the power f into f dash. Sin fx here, my friend. Integral of sin x minus cos x. If you replace your x by fx, needs a side f dash x. So, the integral of sin fx into f dash. Just first we would write what is the integral of sin minus cos. Whatever the angle is there, you have to write fx. But while writing this, you must observe side. If it is other than x, side needs its derivative, f and f dash. Then only you can use this formula. Similarly, I have written for one more. Integral of sec square f needs f dash. Now, what is the integral of sec square? Tan. If you want here x, you write x. If it is other than x, you write other than x. Fx plus c. Like this, my friends, you can write. It is tan fx dx. Tan fx f dash x dx. Log sec fx, like this, my friends. You can get this entire list of what? General formulae. My friends, I have given through this almost all integral formulae except inverse functions. Except inverse functions. That is the integral of 1 by root 1 minus x square. Either it is sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integral 1 upon 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x. And 1 upon x into root x square minus 1, which is sec inverse x. That list I will give after doing some examples on this list. Later I will come to inverse functions or inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. Yes, my friends. Now, this list, ma'am, wherever necessary I will remind, but you must by heart this list. If you know this list perfectly, then you will become perfect in doing the examples. Why? Examples are based on this entire list. My friends, if you wanted examples correctly, prepare this list perfectly. Remember, my friends. Now, I do examples based on this under 1 mark questions. Yes, my friends, remember all this. Read once again. I give only 1 minute. Read once again. Yes, my friends. Now I do examples based on this 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Friends, you are observing some examples under 1 mark questions. Yes, my friends. Integration, 1 mark questions. See, it is given by the previous board this. Simple problems, examples on evaluating the integrals. Yes, my friends, 1 mark questions, simple examples on evaluating the integrals. On integration, simple problems will be under 1 mark question evaluation. Or finding the antiderivative, finding the antiderivative of the function, finding the antiderivative of the function. This is given explanation to 1 mark questions by the PUC board, my friends, PUC board. Yes, examples. They may ask, find the value of the integral or evaluate the integral. These are the 2 words they use. Find the integral or evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral. I have written find or evaluate the following integrals. Common statement I have written, my friends. Then started doing the examples. First, very simple examples they ask. See here, simple problems. This you must remember, my friends. Simple examples on evaluating the integrals. Yes, first, 4 into e to the power 3x minus 1 dx. GI means given integral. Instead of writing only I, my friends have written given integral means this. 4 into e to the power 3x, that k can be taken outside. Plus is plus, minus is minus. Integral 1 dx. It is 4 into, I told in case of exponential functions, whatever the given is, you write first. After writing, look at the power. Is it x? No. Other than x, divide by the coefficient. Is it e? Yes. If it is other than e, you have to write log here. Minus. Integral of 1 is x plus c. This is first example. Second example is appeared in July 2016, 1 mark. July 2016. Integral 2x squared plus e to the power x dx. I told simple problems, my friends, remember. Simple problems. Given integral 2 into integral of x squared plus is plus. Second integral e to the power x. 2 into that n plus 1, see there, x to the power n is n plus 1 upon n plus 1. It is 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. It is enough to write 1 mark question, 1 mark question. Next, this same example, same type, just a practice, do it yourself. DIY means do it yourself. Third example, it is appeared in June 2014. Integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x. They consider some simple example, simple functions you have to integrate, 1 mark questions. Given integral 2 into integral of x minus 3 into integral of cos plus integral of e to the power x. 2 into x, x squared by 2 minus 3 into integral of cos is plus sine. E to the power x is e to the power x plus friend. Friend means constant of integration. 2 get cancels with 2, my friends. 2 get cancels with 2. Left x squared minus 3 sine x plus e to the power x plus c. Next, fancy example. Evaluate e to the power x plus x to the power e plus e to the power e. They never give x to the power x squared. It is a lengthy one. One function to the power of the function. Yes, my friends. Given integral. Integral of first, integral of second, integral of third. See, what is it? Given integral, e to the power x is e to the power x. It is x to the power n. What is x to the power n? N plus 1 upon n plus 1. Why? This e is a constant. N plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus. What is this? E to the power e is k. And then what is the integral of k? Kx. That constant multiplied by x. That constant multiplied by x plus friend who? C. I will explain once again. Integral of first plus integral of second plus integral of third. E to the power x plus x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. K multiplied by x plus c. This is example number 4, my friends. 4. Fifth one, same they just they wanted to test what whether the students remembers the formula or not. Simple, very simple examples. E to the power x plus e to the power x. Yes, e to the power x plus a to the power x upon log a plus c. Sometimes if it is the question given, the friend examiner may change this a to 3 here. Then he may give the same 3 here. He will make it what? Another fancy example. Fancy example. What is it? It is e to the power 3x plus 3 to the power x. 3 to the power x. What is it? 3x upon 3. What is it? 3 to the power x upon log 3. 3 to the power x upon log 3. I hope you can write yourselves. It is 3x upon 3. What is it? 3 to the power x upon log 3 plus c. Instead of e and a, you may consider 3. Sixth one. Sometimes they take fraction, my friends. Fraction. X to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 into e to the power x minus 1 by x dx. Given integral of first n plus 1 upon n plus 1. What is n plus 1? 2 plus 3, 5 upon 3. Upon means what? Reciprocal. That 5 upon 3 reciprocal is what? 3 by 5. Why? It is n plus 1 power upon the power reciprocal. If it is 5 by 3 upon 5 by 3 means you have to write the reciprocal. Plus 2 into e to the power x. What is the integral of 1 by x log mod x? Integral of 1 by x log mod x plus c. These are all very simple examples under 1 mark questions, my friends. 1 mark questions. Please copy. I give 1 minute time. Copy it. Yes, my friends, copy it. Friends, the same examples continued here, making use of the same list of formulae. All these are little bit drama examples. Some you have to simplify and write, that's all. Here it is a multiplication. Evaluate the integral x square into 1 minus 1 upon x square. You have to simplify it first. X square into 1 is x square minus x square cancels with x square gives 1. Now, instead of this, after simplifying, you get this x square minus 1 dx. What is the integral of x square? X cubed by 3n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1. Integral of 1 is x plus c. Instead of multiplication, here it is a division. Integral x cubed minus 1 upon x square dx. Given integral, simplify it. First, x cubed upon x square minus 1 upon x square. X cubed upon x square is x. It is integral 1 upon x square dx. X square dx. Integral of x, add 1 divided by the same, minus. My friends, you have to make use this formula there. Integral 1 upon x to the power n. Integral 1 upon x to the power n is minus 1. If the power is n, 1 less, n minus 1. X to the power n minus 1. Coefficient and the power of x must be same. And it is 1 less to the given power. My friends, you are using the same here. What is it? Power is 2. It becomes minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is 1. X to the power 2 minus 1, n minus 1. 1. Coefficient and powers are same. Simplify. X squared by 2 minus with this minus is plus 1 upon x plus c. Simplify. I used what? 1 upon x to the power n is minus 1 upon n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1. Remember, coefficient and power of x same. It is 1 less to the given power. 1 less to the given power. Remember, my friends, this example. Here it is a multiplication, it is a division. This, it is integral root x plus 1 by root x. Root, you can convert into x to the power half. 1 by root x, you can directly use this formula. What is the integral of 1 by root x? 2 root x. Wire it and use it. Otherwise, it is a great circus. You have to convert here 1 by 2. Lift to the numerator. Minus 1 by 2. Add 1. Divide by the same. After writing 4 steps, you get this man. Instead of that, it is better to remember this formula. What is it? Integral 1 by root x is 2 root x. 2 root x. Yes, my friend. X to the power half plus second 1 by root x dx. N plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 3 by 2. Like this, my friends, you can get many times. Remember this. What is it? It is 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2 upon 2, which is what? 3 by 2, my friends. Remember, wherever you get 1 by 2 plus 1, it is nothing but 3 by 2. Directly you can write 3 by 2. Simplified there. It is, my friend, 3 by 2. Reciprocal 2 by 3. 3 by 2, reciprocal 2 by 3. 1 upon root x is 2 root x plus friend c. Write one more step. It is x to the power 3 by 2. Reciprocal of the power plus 2 root x plus c. 10th one, it is given in the model question paper this year, which is given by the PUC board. It is there in the second model question paper. Integral root ax plus b. It is there in your textbook also. Textbook also. Integral root ax plus b dx. Given integral. This root you are converting in terms of 1 by 2. Add 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. Reciprocal. What about this? It is other than x. Divide by the coefficient. Other than x. Divide by the coefficient. If you don't want to write here, otherwise write here. Divide by a coefficient. Simplify it. It is 2 into ax plus b to the power 3 by 2. Denominator 3 into a is 3a plus c. Plus c. This is given in the model question paper. Next one. It is 2 minus 3x to the power 5 dx. Integral of this. I told in such cases, fx to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Is it linear? Yes, if it is linear, divide by the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Minus 3. So, ax plus b, n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a is minus 3 plus c. One more step. 2 minus 3x to the power 5 upon minus 15 plus c. This you will do it yourself. Ax plus b to the power 2. It is there in your textbook, my friends. Textbook. Instead of this, their friend may give this. Next, e to the power 2x plus 3. Given the formula e to the power ax plus b. In case of exponential functions, whatever that exponential function is there, you write as it is. Look at the power. Is it x? No. Divide by the coefficient. Plus c. Why it is e? Next, 1 upon e to the power x. 1 upon e to the power x dx. Lifting to the numerator. Minus x dx. Apply. Whatever it is, you have to write. Is it x? No. Divide by the power. Divide by the power. If you wanted, you can try this DIY. Now this is integral. Instead of e, they may give a, my friend. Simple. Sometimes instead of x, they may give 2x here. They may give 2x. 1 upon a to the power 2x dx. A to the power 2x dx. Yes. Next, 13. This is the example where we use this property of logarithm. A to the power log x to the base a. Both the bases are same. Both the bases are same. In that case, it is that number itself. X is x. x square is x square, x to the power n is n, whatever it is, man, and the same number you have to write here. Based on this property, 13, evaluate integral x into e to the power 2 log x, p log x, p comes here, power, coefficient becomes power, e to the power log e, when the base is not written, friends, the base is e, that number itself, x into x, x cube, integral of x cube, add 1, divide by the same plus c. This property we used here, my friends. Used here. Just, my friends, to copy it. Copy it. Yes, friends. The next examples. I do some examples connected with trigonometric functions, my friends. Trigonometric functions. Yes, my friend. Yes. Yes, my friends, I'm a few more examples on trigonometric functions, integrals of trigonometric functions. As you know, integral of sine is minus cos x, integral of cos is plus sin x, integral of tan log sec x, integral of cot log sin x, integral of sec square tan x, integral of cosec square minus cot x, integral of sec x into tan x sec x, integral of cosec x into cot x minus cosec x minus cosec x. My friends, these are with integral functions like that. Even integral of sec log sec x plus tan x, integral of cosec log cosec x minus cot x, cosec x minus cot x. Based on this formula, if the angle is other than x, for example, integral of sine ax plus b, what is the integral of sine? Minus cos angle you have to write as it is. Look at the angle. If the angle is x, finished. If the angle is other than x, divide by the coefficient of x. Remember, if it is linear, divide by the coefficient of x. See, my friends, this one. Example number 14. Evaluate the following. Sine 2 plus 5x dx. Sine 2 plus 5x dx. Integral of sine minus cos. I told, write the angle as it is. Look at the angle. Easy text, no. Other than x, then divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? 5. Divide. Plus c. Remember, once again, integral of sine minus cos. Any angle, x is x, other than x, write other than x. If it is other than x, divide by the coefficient of x plus c. Next, integral sec square 7 minus 4x dx. You know the integral of sec square, tan, given angle as it is, easy text, no. Divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 4 plus c. Some drama it is. E to the power 2 log cosec x. 2 log cosec x. That property you have to make use. P becomes power cosec to the power 2 means it becomes cosec square. E and log e. Then e and e means species as same, you get only that function cosec square x. And integral of cosec square is minus cot x plus c. Minus cot x plus c. This is e to the power 2 log cosec. P power e to the power log function itself. That function is cosec square. Integral of cosec square is minus cot x. Minus cot x. Sometimes they give like this, my friends. Integral 1 by sine square 2x. This sine square you have to lift to the what? Numerator. It becomes what? Integral cosec square 2x dx. What is the integral of cosec square? Minus cot 2x upon 2. Minus cot 2x upon 2 diy. This is a very simple example given in the March 2014 integral sin x plus cos x. Integral of sine, this we can write down, my friends. It is what? It is minus cot 2x upon coefficient 2 plus sin x plus cos x. Integral of sine plus integral of cos. Sine is minus cos x, cos is plus sin x plus c. Just sometimes the friend examiners will test whether the students remember the list of the formula or not. Only that much. Next example, it is integral, very popular examples. Sec x into sec x plus tan x. Simplified integral sec into sec is sec square x plus sec x into tan x is sec x tan x. Direct formula. Integral of sec square tan x. Plus is plus, minus is minus. What is the integral of sec into tan? Sec x plus c. In all these examples, my friends, just friend examiner wanted to test whether the students remember the list of the integral formula or not. That's why you must prepare nicely that list, my friends. Yes, same friend example. It is what? Sec into sec x plus tan x. Sec into sec plus sec into tan. Integral of sec square is tan, plus is plus, minus is minus. Integral of sec into tan is sec x plus c. Next, same. Cosec x into cosec x minus cot x. Simplified. Given integral cosec into cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x dx. Now integral of cosec square is minus cot x minus integral of cosec into cot is minus cosec x minus with this minus plus. Integral of cosec into cot is cosec x plus c. Next comes, my friends, integral tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. You know the formula, identity. 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. Tan square is sec square x plus 1 shift to the RHS minus 1. Integral of tan square. Integral of RHS. Integral sec square x minus integral 1 dx. Again, what is the integral of sec square? Tan x minus integral of 1 x plus friend c. Instead of x, they may give tan square 2x. No need, you can directly remember this formula. What is integral of tan square? Sec square, whatever the angle, if it is x, you write x here. If it is 2x, you write here 2x. If it is ax, here you write ax. This is fixed, minus 1. Minus 1 is fixed. So, yes, you have 2x, tan square 2x, integral. Tan square can be shifted as what? Sec square 2x minus 1. Then integral of sec square, tan 2x, angle as it is you have to write. Look at the angle, is it x? No. Divide by the coefficient. Minus integral of 1 is x plus. Cot square 3x. Cot square 3x. Tan square, sec square minus 1. Cot square, cosec square minus 1. If it is x, write the angle x. If it is other than x, write the angle other than x. Cot square 3x. Cosec square 3x minus 1. Integral of cosec square minus cot, angle as it is. If it is other than x, divide by the coefficient minus 1 x plus. This is just instead of 3x, cot square x. Cot square x. Yes. My friends, the same tan square x, it is given in your book. Write it as a note down. Note down. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends. I hope you copied this. See, the same example tan square. They have given evaluate integral sec square x upon cosec square x. This form is given in your textbook, my friends. Textbook. Sec square x upon cosec square x. Now you can simplify it. 1 by cosec square into sec square. Cosec square lift, sine square, sec square push it down, cos square. It becomes what? This sec square upon cos square becomes sine square upon cos square. Sec square upon cosec square becomes sine square upon cos square. But what is sine square upon cos square? Tan square. Then this circles. Already that tan square is here, my friends. Sec square x minus 1. Write another step. This form they give under 2-mark question. They give under 2-mark question. I have just given because it is with this tan square. With this tan square. Tan square. Yes, my friends. 1 minute. Copy it. 1 minute. Yes, my friends. Now I do some 2 or 3 examples based on antiderivative of a function. Instead of find the integral, evaluate, the friend may ask, find the antiderivative of the given function. In the definition itself, I made it clear. Once again, remind of the definition. Note, if d by dx of gx equal to fx, then this bracket gx, this gx is called antiderivative. Gx is called antiderivative of fx, or that antiderivative another name, integral of fx with respect to x, and is denoted as integral fx dx, means with respect to x. This with respect to x is dx. Once again, my friends, if d by dx of gx equal to fx, then this gx is called antiderivative of fx. Gx is called antiderivative of fx or integral of fx with respect to x. Symbol. Just 2 examples. It is from the question paper appeared July 2017. Find the antiderivative of sine 2x with respect to x. Start with, we know that d by dx of minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x equal to minus 1 by 2 being a constant coefficient into derivative of cos 2x equal to minus 1 by 2 into derivative of cos minus sine 2x into other than x. In case of derivative, multiplication. In case of integration, division into 2. My friends, this 2 cancels with 2. Minus of minus is plus sine 2x. Therefore, integral of gx is this. Minus half into cos 2x equal to fx. What is fx? Sine 2x. Then this bracket is called minus half into cos 2x dx. This bracket is called antiderivative of RHS. Antiderivative of RHS with respect to x. Antiderivative of RHS with respect to x. This is the solution. Otherwise, my friends, you can write like this also. Antiderivative, integral of sine 2x with respect to x. What is integral of sine? Minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c. See, it is also what? Minus cos 2x upon 2. Either or. Write like this. If you don't want direct this. It is all left to the examiners. Antiderivative, this is by the definition of antiderivative. You have to write this step. Even they may consider this method also. Second example, find the antiderivative of e to the power 2x. Antiderivative of what? E to the power 2x with respect to x. With respect to x. We know that d by dx of e to the power 2x upon 2. Same. 1 by 2 out. D by dx of e to the power 2x. 1 by 2. Write the derivative. E to the power 2x. It is other than x into coefficient of x into differentiation into integration division. 2 cancels with 2. Cancels with 2. You have e to the power 2x. Therefore, d by dx of e to the power 2x upon 2 is RHS e to the power 2x. Implies gx means this bracket is the antiderivative of RHS e to the power 2x with respect to x. Implies e to the power 2x upon 2 is the antiderivative of e to the power 2x with respect to x. Or you may write this, or integral e to the power 2x dx is e to the power 2x upon 2 plus either this or that. Find the antiderivative of 3x squared plus 4x cubed with respect to x. We know that d by dx, x cubed, what is the derivative of x cubed? 3x squared. You have to start with its derivative. X cubed plus x to the power 4. Derivative of x cubed, 3x squared. Derivative of x to the power 4, 4x cubed. Yes, this equal to this means what? This gx bracket is the antiderivative of RHS with respect to x. Fourth one, antiderivative of 1 by x, where x is positive, my friends, only for the positive. One more question for the positive. Now, when x is positive, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So, bracket log x is the antiderivative of RHS 1 by x with respect to x. If this not mentioned, sometimes they give what? X is not equal to 0. When not equal to 0, at that time you must consider for negative also. At that time when x is negative, if it is minus x, it is minus 1 by x, minus 1 by x, plus 1 by x, then you have to make use what? That log x, mod x is the antiderivative of 1 by x. You have to consider mod x and plus minus. But anyway, x is positive is given. When x is positive, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Reverse it. Log x is the antiderivative of 1 by x. These are some 3 or 4 examples, my friends. It is on antiderivative of the function. Antiderivative of the function. See, definition, bracket, fx. This bracket is antiderivative. So while doing the example, remember, you want to write its antiderivative. You have to start with minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x. Yes. Means its integral. What is the integral of sine cos 2x upon 2 the minus sign of sine. That you know. Integral of sine 2x is minus cos 2x upon 2. Start with, we know that d by dx of this is nothing but its integral is minus half into derivative of cos 2x. Derivative of cos is minus sine 2x into 2. 2 to get cancels. Minus with minus is plus. Right once again. So the d by dx of this is sine 2x. Reverse it. This bracket is the antiderivative of RHS with respect to x. Same is with respect to my friends. Other 3 examples. 1 minute time, copy it. 1 minute. Yes, friends. All these examples, nearly 25 examples. All these examples, or I may missed here while writing this number because I was not remembering that last number here. I might have missed. If it is missed, continue with what? That last number. Yes. Between 25 or 25 plus. These are examples which are important under 1 mark questions. Simple examples, my friends. Simple examples. Okay. Today this much is enough with this integral 1 mark questions. I do few more examples in the next video, my friends. There I do with a mix 1 mark as well as 2 mark questions. Why? I write the formula. Then simple examples, little bit lengthy. That simple you can expect under 1 mark. Lengthy you can expect under 2 mark, my friends. At that time I will write there it is 1 mark, it is 2 mark. Till then, my friends, Thank you very much. Bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, my friends. Namaste. Namaste.